From this moment onwards, your success will no longer be measured only by grades.
आप सबसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि अपने वतन अजीज को खराज तहसीन पेश करने के लिए कौमी तराने के एहतराम में खड़े हो जाए प्लीज।
दमो खुशबू बनाओ।
As learners, tomorrow you will stand as leaders.
दाखिल नहीं हो रहे, बल्कि ये अपने ख्वाबों, वालिदैन की दुआओं और बरसों की मेहनत के साथ एक नए सफर का आगाज कर रहे हैं।
My very respected parents, my very dear students, faculty members and college staff, Assalamu alaikum. The total of I congratulate the students and I congratulate them twice. Well, it was a congratulate Kuma that they have done admission in the MBBS program. And the other congratulations that they have got admission in one of the best colleges of the KBK. So, Nanani Razabawala, it is a student day. The White ceremony that was initially started in 1993 in Columbia University, and it is followed in each and every medical institution nowadays. So, today, it's your day. It is the student day. You enjoy it. You will introduce to each other. You will introduce yourself to the faculty. Also, college ke wo kar rahi. Our audio-visual department is at your disposal. Photography ho gayi, videos ho gayi, the students among each other, with the faculty, with the college staff, and nonetheless with your parents. So, you need to enjoy this day a lot. These are the children who senior students this day. Sawat the senior student they will come. They will do some fooling with you. They will help you. But even then, you need to also enjoy it because it's your day. Nanare was bahat machi. You feel enjoyed. Classroom में ऐसा सुकून है. Medicine is different from other subjects. अवले दूसरे क्लास में जाते हैं. प्रोफेसर राइशी का सबक शुरू की. लेकिन सबक next शुरू के साथ लपास. Because it is totally different. Saya confused with the word for us. You gradually get used to it. Now, to start with the when we have chosen one of the best colleges, Why we are saying that this is one of the best colleges? Who parameters is the college? The infrastructure संगल है, academically the college संगल है. Infrastructure, you can see it is built in the beautiful valley of Orza, and you can see that it is a beautiful building erected here, and this credit goes to one of our colleagues, Dr. Usman.
White is not just a color, it is silence before a promise and humility before responsibility. Let your hands be skilled, your hearts be kind, and your conscience remains awake.
Farming, I promise to earn the trust and pay full respect to my teachers and remain obedient. I will abide by all the rules and regulations of the college and utilize my timing and energies in the studies. I will adhere to the standards of professionalism as specified by the college, such that my conduct uphold and reflect the high calling of my profession. I will treat my colleague as my fellow being and never discriminate against them for their differences.
The more khabari the shmira nadi, the more khabari the shmira nadi. Mala the more hafar hawal narazi. The more jani duagan ke miyad sada, the more jani duagan ke miyad sada. Sab duana bagay mala usse dil narazi. The more jani gor maachar tayawazi nakli. The more jani gor maachar tayawazi nakli. Mala the waqt masalo gor sahal narazi.
आपने अपने बच्चों को सिखाया कि नाकामी के बाद दोबारा कैसे खड़े हुआ जा सकता है और ये यकीन रखना चाहिए कि मेहनत के भी ज़ाया नहीं होती। आज ये लम्हा
and the students of the second year for their efforts who organize such a graceful event. I'm thankful to the senior admin officer, the people from IT department, the auxiliary staff for their crucial and valuable support. Thank you.